So if the slope of a line is given, the slope is m equals 2/3. The slope of a line parallel to it, so parallel lines are lines with the same slope. So a line parallel to the given line would have the same slope. So basically the slope of a line parallel to it would be 2/3. So for example, if y equals 2/3 x plus 1 is a straight line, then y equals 2/3 x minus 5 would be parallel to it because they have the same slope. Now, if the slope of a given line is m equals 2/3, then the slope of a line perpendicular to it is, now this is how you do it in 2 steps. 1, flip the fraction or flip the number, or put it in the fractional form and flip the number, change the sign. So basically I'm finding the slope of the line. I'm going to call it m perp, so perpendicular line, is I'm going to flip this fraction 2/3 to make it 3/2. The sign of the given slope is positive, so I'm going to change the sign. So negative 3/2 is the slope of the line perpendicular to the given line with slope m equals 2/3. Now suppose m equals, for example, -2. The slope of the line perpendicular to it would be, flip the fraction. So now let's write it first as -2/1. So we flip it to get -1/2. However, we need to change the sign. So if the original slope is negative, make it a positive. So flip the fraction, change the sign to get the slope of the perpendicular line. Now here is a problem. Find the slope of a line parallel to the given line and perpendicular to the given line. So the given line is this. So first of all, the line is given. The slope is something we need to find. And the way we find the slope is to put it in the form y equals mx plus b first, which means we solve for y. So we need to get rid of the -5x. So we add 5x on both sides to get 15y equals, and I'm going to write the x first, positive 5x plus 15. Now we need to get rid of 15 because we need to solve for y. So 15y over 15 is equal to 5x over 15 plus 15 over 15. So divide both sides by 15 to get y equals 5 over 15 is really 5 goes 3 times into 15, so I get x over 3 plus 1. So the y-intercept is 1, and I'm going to rewrite this as 1/3 times x. The 3 remains in the denominator, and the fraction is 1/3. So 1/3 times x plus 1. So the slope of the given line is 1/3. So let's go back and answer the question. What is the slope of a line parallel to the given line? Parallel lines have same slope. So the answer is 1/3. Now, if we have to find the slope of the line perpendicular to the given line, what I would need to do is flip the fraction. So when we flip the fraction, we get 3/1. And the sign of the given slope is positive. So I change the sign to negative. So negative 3 over 1 is the same as negative 3. So the slope of the line perpendicular to the given line is negative 3.